Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe we show you how to make guacamole, because my wife's decided we're having fajitas for dinner tonight and she insists on homemade guacamole every time we do. And I'm not rocking the boat, because at the moment things are quite fraught in our house. I'm running out of excuses how to get to the pub. And if I can't talk my wife into taking me to the pub, I got a whole evening of Saturday night television. And no free-born Welshman should have to suffer such an indignity. Anyway, on with the cooking. Okay, the first thing you do to make this guacamole is cut the avocados in half, remove the stones, and using a spoon scoop out the flesh. Then squeeze over the juice of half a lemon, salt and pepper to taste, and using a potato masher, mash the avocado up. You don't want a puree, you just want to break it up a bit. If you've got any ideas how I can get to the pub, leave them in the comments below. The next thing to do is finely chop the coriander. Then when this is done, finely chop the tomatoes. Some people would remove the skin and take the seeds out before chopping the tomatoes, but I have a very good reason why I don't do that, and that is, life's just too short. The next thing to chop up is the red onion. Just chop as finely as you can. It's not only the onions that are cutting things fine. I want to get to the pub. I think I got it. I forgot to tell you, darling. Simon from the pub says that woman from number 36 and her new fancy man have been in the pub every evening this week for a drink. Well, that's the seed planted. Then put the avocados, tomatoes, onions and coriander in a bowl. Give a good slug of olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, and mix in well.
Listen, I've just been thinking.
Oh yes, darling.
It's a lovely evening. Do you fancy a couple of pints before dinner?
Why not? I'll get my keys. Result. We hope you enjoyed this recipe and give it a go sometime. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon in the next one. Bye for now.